What's up, guys? We are here at Dita's Events Place.
Yeah, it's so nice here, guys.
Dito kami ngayon to celebrate Greece's birthday. Yes, Dita's, formerly Karina's. Yes, yes. Hi, Greece. Happy birthday.
Ba't sila nagpalit ng name?
Ano? Rebranding. Kung ang Dunkin' Donut wala ng donut, Dunkin' na lang sila rin. So it's a beautiful sunny day and nagsiset up pa si Trisha and RJ, Artist Choy. Hindi nadala yung bingo. Uwi na, oh, please.
Pero nag-ready ako ng age.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Ay, hindi, okay na yun.
Talaga yung gift.
Huwag na kumanta. Hi, Kai. Siswimming ka naman.
Ayun, nasa may back.
Ay, may box. So, nagsiset up ang Artist Choice. And it's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Yan. So, nag-swimming na agad sila Cruz and Dua. Hi kayo. Hello! And later on, may kainan, of course, kantahan. Wala kaming program, by the way, guys. We just want to really celebrate Greece's 8th birthday with our family and friends. Na, alam mo, walang pressure and wala masyadong ganap. Just splash and food trip.
Yes!
So yun, guys. Again, what a beautiful day it is. Tuesday today, by the way.
Wonders, may babakita ko sa'yo.
Okay. Ito yung birthday girl. Gee, how does it feel that you're 8 years old?
I don't know how.
Ayan. Ano papakita mo? Okay. O, mga ka-wonders, meron lang papakita si Gee. See yourself? Kita mo? Okay.
You count. No, you count. Daddy, you count. Daddy, you count.
3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Grabe, pakda! Wow! Gee, 10 out of 10. Ayun guys, so later on, update ko kayo sa mga happenings. Right now, konti pa lang tao dito and few lang naman in-invite namin, really close friends and relatives. Okay guys, set up lang kami. Go, go.
See?
Galing mo, Brie. Here's the cake.
Yummy.
Ito na ang sila baby. Ayan, kasha. So, i-ref ko muna to, be. Hi! Hi, Manis! Hi, Bini! Gwen! Ayan, no? Hi! Oh, swimming na tayo. Go, Laxus! Here we go! Wow! Galing! Sige nga, Cedric, dyan ka! Dyan, dyan! Kasha ka dyan! Wow! Okay guys, so bigyan ko ng sort of tour here at Dita's Events Place.
Wow.
Formerly known as Karina's Events Place. So malaki yung space dito. Pwede mag-set up ng catering pag may mga events. Even kahit may mga siguro banda, no? Tapos,
Oh, yes.
open area to. And then doon, mayroong bubong. And then, ito yung kiddie pool. Hi! Say hi, guys!
Hi.
Ayan, no? So, kasang-kasa naman yung mga kids dyan. And then, meron ditong gazebo kung saan nagsiset up ngayon ang Artist Choice for the food and setup. So mamaya check natin yung itsura talaga yan sa loob kasi busy pa sila. At nandito yung main pool kung saan nakatambay na sila. Yan. Kaway naman kayo guys, kaway.
Hi, welcome to the vlog.
Aray.
Wow!
Sa padali, pakita mo duo.
Grabe naman yun, duo. So, napakaganda ng pool, lalo pag gabi kasi may mga lights yan. Ayan, perfect talaga to for the family. As you can see, talagang napaka-spacious nitong Ditas Events Place. And it's located, by the way, here in Piela, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So sa mga taga-South dyan, di ba? Check this out. No, if you're looking for a place for team building, get away ng family, or ng barkada, perfect na perfect sa inyo to.
Yes!
O, di ba? So, punta naman tayo dun sa may parking area. So, if you guys are worried kung may parking space, worry no more. Kasi, napakalaki po ng parking space dito. So, itong area na to, minsan kami nagsiset up pa dyan no, ng mga tables kapag marami talagang bisita. And meron pa silang billiards table kung saan pwede rin tumambay. Kung nagiinom kayo, pwede kayo mag-inuman. May mga tindahan din. Yung may-ari nito, meron din silang tindahan. By the way guys, this place is owned by one of my best friends way back in high school. At kanyang mami ang nag-manage. So, thanks so much, tita. Kasi free binigay sa atin to, no? Grabe. And this is the house na pwede nyo rin i-rent. So, pasok tayo. So, kasyang-kasya talaga dito, guys. Office mates, barkada, family. Yan, oh. Hello, guys. Pwede na sila mag-swimming. Sisabay. Ayan. Hi, guys. Yes. So, ito yung sala nung bahay. And here's the dining area. Pasensya, hiningin ako kasi sobrang init. And look at the dining kitchen, guys. Sobrang spacious niya. So, dalawang ref. May water dispenser. And then, this accommodation has 3 rooms. Okay? So, ito yung first room. Ayan, no? Talagang napakaluwag, napakalamig. Kasi may aircon, syempre. The second room, dito lang yan sa gilid. O, diba? Pwede pa mag-kutsyon-kutsyon dyan. Ay, may tao pala. Si nanay. Wala, nay. And ito yung CR dito. And then ito nakalock. That's last room. O, diba? Meron pa kang double deck. Alright. And sa dito, yan, meron parang ano lang, entertainment area. Ayan, si nanay po yung nagsasalita. Hello, nay.
Hello.
So, yun lang, guys. No, again, if you're interested, I'll leave the link on how you can contact Ditas Events Place. Message them sa number, sa Facebook, para sa inyong next staycation. Alright.
Oh, yeah. Another year, it's your big day. Candles light up the party way. Smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time to thrive. Happy birthday, you're a star. Blow those candles, here you are. Dance and sing, it's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do.
Hey, go, go, go!
Give it up, Tigre.
Yan.
The world's brighter 'cause of what you do.
all stand up. Let's all stand. We want to start today only grateful for who you are. Tunay na you're so good sa buhay ni Gri, that you gave her to a family that alam mo yung nararamdaman niya, na-experiences niya yung love that comes from you. Amen. Thank you, Tita Jen. So you can all sit down now. So again, good afternoon, everyone. Energy naman dyan. Good afternoon. Are you excited to swim? Are you excited to eat? Yes, of course. But before that, we will have her birthday cake ceremony first. Alright, guys. You need to sing the loudest that you can, okay? Malakas na malakas. With energy. Okay ba yun?
Yes!
Yes, of course. Okay, so in the count of three, let's all sing a happy, happy birthday song for Green. 3, 2, 1. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more, louder. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Come on, guys, energy. In the count of three, you may now blow your birthday candle, and don't forget to make a wish, okay? 3, 2, 1, blow! And let's all greet Bri a happy, happy birthday! 3, 2, 1, happy birthday! One more time! 3, 2, 1, happy birthday! Saka yung pinakamalakas! 3, 2, 1, happy birthday! Alright, let's give a round of applause for the birthday girl!
Happy birthday, Green!
Happy birthday, Green!
Happy birthday, Green! Happy birthday, Green! Happy birthday, Green! Happy birthday, Green! Happy birthday, Green!
Okay, start na tayo!
Happy birthday, Green!
Okay. Huwag pong kalimutan si Mayor. Palibata, no?
Kasya pa. Go, go, go! Keep it down, Tracy!
Happy birthday, Green!
Yan ba? Kaya iba na rin, Maris. Kasi malaki yung sheets ito. Kasi pang balik ito.
Idol! Idol!
Hello guys! Wala na akong makita. Hindi ko maano yung gagawin.
Ayun na, sige.
Ang sakit na mata!
Hi girls! Ano pinag-usapan nyo?
Wala. Paano natampan niya yung mga ano,
Hi Chu! Hi Mani! Baka mahulog.
Tama na muna, hindi na talaga ako makahingan, legend.
Ayoko na. Diba?
Hi guys! So we're just having fun. We're just swimming kasi wala kang program, so sobrang chill lang. But everyone
Waterproof yan.
is having a good time. Tapos usok sila lahat. Guys, are you guys happy?
Hello.
So we're gonna stay here overnight kami dito. At talagang mahaba pa yung oras. Kaya magsiswimming muna kami with the kids.
Okay, I'm Triana. Say hi.
Ay kayo, hi.
Ay, ay. Ay, ay. Ay, ay.